Registration's way over there. It's you. We already checked into the hotel, and right now we're waiting to go get our badges in this very full room. All right, so we just got our badges. We got the booklets, and you got your badge right here, and we got con shirts. What does your con shirt look like? I have mine all tucked in my arm. Yay.
I like that. That's pretty cool.
I have my badge here. I'm excited to get up to the hotel room.
I know. We just waited in line after line and after line, and now it's time to get up to the rooms and rest.
Woo! And we're going to the Cheesecake Factory tonight. We're going to the Cheesecake Factory. Yay. I'm excited for fried mac and cheese balls. What are you? Have you been to the Cheesecake Factory before?
I have.
You have? What do you like eating there? Or do you even get cheesecake? Because you don't like. You can't have cheese.
No. Chicken tenders. Maybe a burger.
Tender. More
a burger.
burger.
That sounds good.
Yeah, I gotta take a photo of the pretty cheesecake and maybe a little video when we get there. Ooh.
Right now we are in the garage. We gotta get our stuff to go up to our rooms.
Yes.
And we actually got a good parking spot like right there.
Yes, we got a great parking spot. Not that I can share, but this is a parking garage. We're fairly close to here. This is how close we are in the rooms. Look, he's way over there. I zoomed in on you. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this room's huge. Come in. Jeez, this room was bigger than I thought it was gonna be. This is awesome.
Whoa, this room is massive.
Right? Oh my gosh.
You got a deluxe room.
Yeah, because I wanted to, I'm gonna just leave that right there for a second. I'm gonna leave that out there. Yeah, it's
That's me. Hi. Uh-oh, what's the view?
I see, oh no. I can't open it.
We see the tops of buildings.
The building.
Look at all those buildings.
Look at that building. That's the north side. Look,
Yeah.
I get view of the other side. That's cool. I get to see the other side. So your room should have a view of the other.
My room should have a view over there. And that's the Prudential building.
Yeah.
Way up there.
Whoa. Oh, your curtains were. Go, you have a view of the street. That's awesome.
Right? I always seem to luck out and get a view of this.
Yeah.
But yeah,
I think
cool.
I've always been with the view of the other side, and then I wave at the people in the other rooms.
No, last time we were here, I had the room on that side because I remember people waving at me from over there. I'm just like, hey, how you doing?
Oh, look how this. Okay, nice. I'm liking the mirror. This is nice. Ooh, got safe box. Thank goodness we have an ironing board and an iron, and this is the tiny little bathroom. Look how tiny this little bathroom is. It's so tiny. Tiny little bathroom. And it's so cute. Oh, this is a lovely room. Lovely, lovely, lovely room. I'm so excited to watch cable. So aside from the shirt, I also got these really cute patches and pins. These are really adorable. They're so cute. They're just, iron-on patches. I love these. I love these. They're way too cute. So I thought I would show those, and I thought I would also show a better close-up of the book. Flipsies, it just gives good con information, stuff like that about where to go. Oh, can't flip through it. Where to go, events, stuff like that. The people who are going, see, it has the entire guests of honor list. There we go. Oh my goodness. There's the map. Or not the map, the schedule. Here's the scheduling. Whew. Whew. Oh, it's one page. Oh my gosh, it's one page this time. Wow. Oh, that's cute. It's like a little postcard. Oh, right in the middle. That's adorable. Crunchyroll. That's cute. That's cute. They have hours of operation. There's a heckin' map. Finally, there's a map of the artist alley. Here we go. All the staff. Oh, wait. Oh, and autographs. I never get autographs in here, but I feel like I should get autographs in the back of these books. But yeah. So those are the little booklets. Right now, I'm gonna set my camera up somewhere, and we are finally gonna unpack. I'm gonna officially settle in, and attempt to unpack all of my bags and probably move around some of the stuff in the room. Look at that. Right up there. Big tapestry. Anime Boston. Yay. That thing's huge.
It is. I'm gonna take one, but I'm gonna go over there.
Yay. Ah. Largest annual celebration of Japanese animation. Whoop whoop. Look at all the sponsors. Aww. Yeah? We found this big fish, this big metal fish in here. Oh my god. Oh, what? Somebody put trash in its mouth.
Oh, no way.
There's trash in its mouth and there's coins. There's like a nickel and a quarter or a penny. No. Why did they do this? They fed the fish.
They fed the fish.
Why? Alright, we're officially here. We're at the Cheesecake Factory. We're sitting in our seats. So glad I made a reservation instead, because apparently there was like a 45-minute wait. But I haven't gone in so long. We actually are really far into the restaurant. The like chicken's way over there. But yay! Cheesecake Factory.
Cheesecake Factory.
Food time! We haven't eaten all day. There it is. Fried mac and cheese. They look like massive meatballs, and Daddy got the shrimp platter. Yeah. Got the shrimp platter. Now we're about to pig out because we haven't eaten. I wussed out. I couldn't finish all my food on the inside before it gets messed up by us walking away with it. I just got done hustling Deirdre. She was gracious enough to give me one of her forks because she had utensils. She had utensils. They didn't put any utensils in the cheesecake bag, and I didn't want to eat it with my hands. Why am I so excited? I haven't been at the Cheesecake Factory in freaking years. I haven't been to Anime Boston in years. Just coming back here again has been really exciting. It's like a weird calming feeling. Like it's an anxious feeling of being around people again, but it's a calming feeling that it's the same as it's been in past. I really thought things were going to be different after everything with COVID and all of the new policies and the new restrictions and stuff like that. But it seems, other than the whole masks and the whole mandatory vaccine thing, right? Everything else seems exactly the same. I'm still worried about tomorrow, but all the events seem the same. Everything seems exactly the same. And it's so weird to just go from that time where all the conventions were getting canceled, right? To feel like all of that passed by, like it felt like forever when it was happening, but now to be here when it's all kind of over and everything seems really normal, like nothing just happened. Like we totally didn't just, go through years of nothing. I got the chocolate caramelicious something with Snickers. It was a really long name, but it has Snickers in it, and I'm very excited for this. Let's get a nice little... See if I can gracefully get this. Oh, we got everything. Okay, let's see. Oh. That was amazing. What a great end to a great day, right? Great.